That's right, fathers and pastors' wives. Okay. Elders' wives, are you ready? And they are not ready. We move ahead. Returning of envelope. Returning of envelope. The youth and the elders, the thing is still hanging low. We have not come to conclusion. Elders, youth, and elders who get church. In the seat. Elders are the action and elder blues. You and the youth who get church. Elders have the church. And I just say, while I say nobody go match because you to say that elders go match because then elders because the youth go match because while I say we go come back to now. While our judges, see our judges here, they go tell us who go match first. So please, returning of envelope. Your visitors, people that you have shared the envelope with, this opportunity for you to run. As to please, youth, we do respect. Our time is coming. Let's go out to marching for the respect of the elders. Please. The youth marching before the elders. Elders first, so now they ready now. Youth, go and they are about so that when they finish, you just come in. Our time is remaining 10 minutes. It's remaining 10 minutes. From the time elder gave to us. Only 10 minutes. Returning of envelope is ongoing. Returning of envelope. People you share the envelope with.
Elders and pastors' wives, get ready.
Returning of envelope. Okay. Elders